Hey guys! So, a lot of you asked me to do a painting in black and white shades. So, that's what we're gonna do today. But I don't have black paint because I never use it. So, first let's get some black paint. Alright, so we have here Mars black, so let's mix that and start painting. Okay guys, we're gonna start with a white base, or shall we make a black base? No, let's first do a white base. We can always do a black base later. First let's see if this works out. So I made gray, Mars black and titanium white. Okay, first let's torch this with the air bubbles. Okay. Yeah, well, why not start with black, right? Some gray. Black. We don't have a lot of colors to choose from. Yeah, well, gray. Like this. Pour the white around. Okay, I think this will will be a mess, but let's see. Alright, then blow it out. Well, this is not really my style, but it's not ugly. Let's torch it. I'm not so excited about this. It's too black and white for me, but yeah, it's better than I imagined because it has composition, it has contrast, and luckily I made some gray. Well, it's a painting and Alex is loving it because he says it's his favorite. I disagree, but yeah. Okay.
See you next time.
See you next time.